Here we are going to discuss about the spherical lenses. If a lens in pathina, lensly you have got two types. One is convex lens, other one is what? Concave lens. If a convex lens or concave lens or you have got it to be a transparent material which is bound by two surfaces. See, in the two spheres or surfaces are bound in this way, right? So, it bounds this particular lens, and this lens is called convex lens, and it has its center of curvature on both the sides. In a two spheres together forms this lens. Mirror it was one single sphere, imaginary sphere. So, adhanade center became my center of curvature. Inge two spheres, adhanale idu renduthime you call it as centers of curvatures. See, centers pathina where they are. Left side there is one C and right side there is one C dash. Concave lens pathina when the two spheres are at a small distance apart. Upper form aagakuriya in the rendu surfaces. It forms your convex lens. So draw பண்ணும்போது எப்படி வரைவோம் இந்த மாதிரி outward curves போட்டு இப்படி join பண்ணா then that is a convex lens. இப்படி inward curves ரெண்டா போட்டோம்னா then it is convex lens, and the line, imaginary line that is passing through the two centers of curvature, it is called as what? The principal axis. This picture gives an idea about the types of lenses. So நம்ம மேஜரா பார்க்க போற ரெண்டு type of lenses பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்னு concave lens and convex lens, double concave and double convex lens ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். பார்க்கிறதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா it is the convex lens or double convex lens, and this is concave lens or double concave lens. இதுதான் நம்மளுடைய activities எல்லாத்துலயுமே will be seeing convex and concave lenses அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Plano convex as well as plano concave, இது ரெண்டுமே you have got it, right? ஒரு surface வந்து concave இருக்கும் and the other surface will be plane. In that case it is called plano concave lens, and here இது பாரு outside la bulge இருக்கு. So and the other surface is plane. Therefore this is a plano convex lens. So this is one another type of lenses that we might see. Converging and diverging lens. Converging na enna? ஒரு parallel beam of light, after refraction through this lens, if it is going to all get converged at one point, then this type of lens is called converging lens. So, idu enna lens? It is a convex lens. Convex lens converges all the parallel beam of light to one point, and therefore it is called as what? Converging lens. Again, diverging lens எது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா concave lens. In a parallel beam of light varadellame, it appears to diverge from one point which is called as the focus. So idhula oru chinna vishayam enna, where is it all getting converged in a convex lens? Towards the right side of the mirror. Now already sollirkom illaya, convex ன்னு சொன்னாலே focal length is positive. So focal length எந்த பக்கம் measure பண்றோமா? Towards the right of your lens. Towards the right all values are taken as positive. So though it is converging, previous convex mirror பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is a diverging mirror. ஆனா convex lens எப்படி இருக்கு? It is a converging lens. Okay, so இதனுடைய focal length வந்து it is the distance between the lens and the focal point. So அந்த distance எந்த பக்கமா measure பண்றோம்? Towards the right, since the focus is towards the right. Therefore, this has got focal length to be positive. Whereas in the one which is at concave la pathina, your focus is towards the left. Therefore, focal length will be measured as OF towards the left of your lens. Thereby, its value will be taken as negative. So, idhanade focal length eppadi irukum? Value will be negative. So, convex nale positive focal length, concave nale it is negative focal length. Size of image. See, this is an activity where we are going to place a convex lens and we are going to check out for the image that will get formed. So, a candle edutha I am going to place it at a distance of 70 cm from a convex lens. Ipo I am going to place a screen on the other side. Ena innor side form agadena real inverted image. So, in the particular screen, front and back na move pannena, I can get a real inverted clear image of this particular object over here. Yes sir. If again I am moving the candle 10 cm towards the lens. Lens kitta move பண்ணும்போது again I am getting an image which is a bit enlarged. அதுவும் real inverted தான். ஆனா as I am moving towards, in the screen oda position பாரு, it is moving away. In order to get my real inverted, a bit enlarged image. Right? So, this is a convex mirror. In that case, I get my image to be getting enlarged as I move towards the mirror, and that too, the image is also getting formed at a farther distance from that of the lens. So, this idea is about a convex lens, how the image will get formed. See, this one is for a concave lens. Lens pathina theriyum, it is a concave lens. So, concave lens left side la I am placing my placing my candle. Candle left side vachona, what is happening abdin pathona, I am placing a screen over here. எந்த இடத்துல screen வச்சாலும் எனக்கு real inverted image form ஆகாது. ஏன்னா this is a concave lens. Concave lens பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் it will always form a virtual erect image, and that too a diminished image. எங்க form ஆகுதுன்னு பாரு, it is found inside that of the lens. So virtual erect image தான் it will always get formed wherever I move my object. இந்த இடத்துல object என்ன, என்னோட candle. இதை எந்த இடத்துல மூவ் பண்ணாலுமே சரி, என்னோட image I can see it inside the lens. See, I am seeing it from inside the lens. It is not getting caught on the screen, but I can see it inside the lens. How? I can see a diminished image inside of the lens. This is like similar to that of what you have seen in a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass use பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? What is it? You have got the பூத கண்ணாடின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So to reading glasses-னு கூட சொல்லுவோம். சின்னதா இருக்க words read பண்றதுக்காகவோ இல்ல சின்ன objects பார்க்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு magnifying glass, handheld glass யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அது பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be a convex lens actually. ஏன்னா அதுக்குள்ள image வந்து எனக்கு magnified-ஆ தெரியணும்ன்றதுக்காக we will be using. So if my book is over here, the other side of the lens வழியா தானே I'll see. So அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது என்னோட image எங்க தெரியும்னா அந்த lensக்குள்ள தான் தெரியும். That too a magnified image, because there I'll be using which one? A convex lens. Convex lens பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் where is that I'm getting my image? Inside the lens, and that too a virtual erect image inside the lens I'll be getting it. Convex na magnified-ஆ தெரியும், concave-ல அதுவே diminished-ஆ தெரியுது in the virtual erect image. So getting back to the ray diagrams, நம்ம mirrors-க்கு பார்த்த மாதிரி here as well we have got 6 ray diagrams for convex and 2 ray diagrams for concave. இப்போ for convex, first of all at infinity, அதுக்கப்புறம் greater than 2f, அதாவது beyond c, is equal to f, அதாவது at c, இல்லையா? அந்த பொசிஷன்ஸ்ல என்னோட ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வைக்க போறேன், and the ray diagrams எப்படி வரப்போகுதுன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். ray diagrams வரையறதுக்கு முன்னாடி simple rules. First rule என்ன? Through focus போச்சுனா parallel-ஆ போகும். இது lensன்றதுனால it will go through that lens. Lens வழியா உள்ள travel-ஏ ஆயிடும். Mirror பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் it will rebound in the same direction, இல்லையா? It will rebound into the same side of the mirror. ஆனா இங்க it has to travel through the lens. So lens வழியா travel ஆகும்போது after refraction this will go parallel. இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is passing through the focus. After refraction it is going parallel. So if in case parallel-ஆ போச்சுனா இந்த ray diagram பாரு, it is parallel to the principal axis. அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது? After refraction it passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. Right? Now the third ray diagram is whenever a ray of light is passing through the optic center, அதாவது the center of the lens itself is called as the optic center. And the optic center வழியா போறது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா it will go undeviated. There will be no refraction happening at that particular point. Where? Through the optic center. So 3 major ray diagrams வரையறதுக்கான rules பார்த்தாச்சு. So அந்த rules வச்சு you'll be drawing the ray diagrams similar to that we did for mirrors. இப்போ இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா distanceல இருந்து வர rays எப்படி இருக்கும்? Right? Parallel beam of light வரும். So where it will form an image? It will form a highly diminished image at focus. So either you can do this as a ray diagram, or the one given in your textbook where they would have given exactly parallel beam of light coming, hitting, and a point sized image at f will get formed. Adeyume you can draw. If in case if the object is kept at a position which is greater than 2f, see 2f kum pinnadi or object vachachna, an image will get formed what? Between f and 2f. Right? And the image eppadi irukum? It will be real inverted, diminished. So endha rays use pannirukanga? Parallel-ஆ போறது after refraction going through focus. The other one is through optic center. So இது ரெண்டும் merge ஆகுற இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல என்னோட image போட்டோம்னா this is becoming what? A virtual erect diminished image. Right? Then the third position at C. Same size it should get formed. அப்படின்றது it is what? At C ல வைக்கும்போது. Right? So இதுக்கான applications or uses it has been mentioned. See, first one is object lens of a telescope. Telescope ல தான் தூரமா இருக்கிற ஒன்னத்தை வந்து we have to see it as if like it's nearer to us. Correct? அப்போ object lens of a telescope எப்படி இருக்கணும்? It will be made of a convex lens because lines from a very farther distance will be parallel beam of light. So it will form a diminished real inverted image of that particular object at the focus. So telescope la use pandrathu eduma? It is the convex lens. Okay, and the scenario is object is at infinity. Again, beyond 2f, konja oru distance la irukadha paakanum appdin sonna, you make use of what? A convex lens again, wherein I can get a diminished image. See, the eye of a camera, eye or the camera, நம்மளோட கண்ணும் தூரத்துல இருக்கிற ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டோட இமேஜை ரொம்ப குட்டியாக்கி it will be framing it in our retina. So அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை தான் நம்ம பிரெயின் இன்டர்பிரேட் பண்ணுது. கரெக்டா? ஸோ உங்களோட கண்ணில் இருக்கிற லென்ஸும் சரி இல்லை ஒரு கேமரா லென்ஸும் சரி it will work out on this principle. The next idea is u is equal to 2f. 2f na same size la enak image frame agano, real inverted. So this is actually made use of in photocopier machines. Same sized copy enak venundrappa enoda object oda position align aradhu eppdina at 2f na align agum, so that my image will get formed and that image will get printed on the papers. Right? Now as you move toward என்ன ஆகுது, 2f and f க்கு நடுவில் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பிளேஸ் பண்ணனா beyond 2f image form ஆகுது and that too magnified. இங்க இருந்ததை விட அடுத்தது என்ன ஆகுதுமா, here it was diminished, then at 2f la same size, now beyond 2f என்னோட image போகும்போது it is becoming magnified. So again this can be used for a photograph enlarger or even in photocopier machines where you want some kind of enlarged images illena projector la, right? There and all will be using this kind of position for the lens. Again u is equal to f. At f vacha enak image enga form agno, at infinity. So parallel beam of light produce pandradhukaga you can make use of this lens. Last one where you have to get a virtual erect enlarged image. Idu already ipa dhan discuss pannom. What is it? Magnifying glass la. Magnifying glass la enna pandrom? In the side or notebook or book vachu or magnifying glass vachu adu valiya when you see it you can find an virtual erect enlarged image of that particular book. புக்கோட பொசிஷன் இங்க, ஆனா இமேஜ் எப்படி தெரியுது, as if like இவ்வளவு தூரத்துல இருந்து வர மாதிரியும் அதனுடைய enlarged version you can see it, right? So all these 6 ray diagrams are relevant to which one? Relevant to convex.